lovely friends, this is Nev from Nev's Lifestyle, and welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing to you another haul. I know I've been doing a lot of shopping. I went to Ulta very recently, probably last week, for Karwa Chauth, because like I told you, this is a festival time in my previous video, and I had quite a few points, and also there was a coupon, so I wanted to try especially one foundation which I'm going to show you right now. So I went for that. So let's get started. The first thing which I got is this Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. So this is the reason why I went to Clinique, because this foundation is $27 and I saw few videos and it felt nice, and especially it says foundation plus concealer, because I am still learning how to do apply concealer. I'm not very good with applying concealer. So when I heard about this foundation plus concealer, I really wanted to buy this. So the next thing which I got is this is a Too Faced basically a eyeshadow primer. It says shadow insurance anti crease eyeshadow primer, and I know this is not a new product, but I've just been using one single eyeshadow primer, which is my favorite, which you must have seen in many videos, which is from Smashbox 24-hour shadow primer. But I wanted to try another one so that I can switch from one to another. This one was for $20. I know it's a little bit expensive, but I like I told you, I had points and I had coupon. So the next product which I have is this. This is from Ulta, and this is a makeup collection. It says 52-piece color collection, and it says Beauty Gems, and this is from their the holiday collection, the makeup sets which they have nowadays. So this is only for $10. If you can see, guys, this is only for $10. So let me open this and show you. So look at the colors, guys. It's beautiful, especially these colors are my favorite nowadays, and it opens from both the sides. So let's open and show you. So this is how it looks, and this is very travel friendly, I feel, because this is very light, and it says the collection includes 32 eyeshadows, 16 lip colors, 3 blush, 1 highlighter, and 3 cosmetic applicators. So the next thing which I got is another palette, and this says Fabulous Face. This is another one from Ulta, and this is from their holiday collection. So let's see how it opens. So it just opens like this. Just pull it from here, and they have so many eyeshadows over here. It opens further over here. So I just want to be careful. I don't want it to fall anywhere. So this is how it looks. So they have some lip glosses over here and some cheek color and a highlighter. So this is how it is, and this is for $16, and it says $88.50 value, and I think it makes a really nice gift for your family or friends or anybody. So the next thing which I got is this, and this is a Fake Up. It's from Benefit. It says Hydrating Crease Control Concealer. So this is how it is. So this is for $24, but like I said, I had points, so I got it for a little cheaper. But this is for $24. It says the Hydrating Crease Control Concealer with vitamin E and apple seed extracts hides dark circles and diffuses fine lines for a silky smooth ultra natural look. Fake Up never settles, and neither should you. So that's why it says, and it says how to use. Stroke Fake Up underneath each eye using your ring finger. Gently blend upwards. So this is how it is, and let's open. Wow, it looks so cute. It has like a pink design, and it says fake up over here in black. I hope you can see. And let's open. So this is how it looks, and this is like, you know, almost looks like a lipstick. It has a concealer kind of in between over here. Look at this. Wow. And this is in medium. They only had 3 shades, which is light, medium and dark. So I got medium. I am definitely looking forward to try this, because most of the concealers normally settles on the fine lines. I'm definitely looking forward to try this one. And guys, if you want to see any reviews on any of the product, or the first impression on any of the product, which is like my first impression, don't forget to comment below and let me know. And please follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. It's Neff's Lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe, that red button. It surely means a lot to me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.